Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your final screencast video of the semester. I want to congratulate you all that have survived this fall semester. It's been a challenging environment for everyone. So good luck to you as we finish up. I'm going to take you through this week's activities. It's a pretty important week. So just to kick back here and take a look at the last schedule. Tuesday, peer reviews are going to be due, your 2 peer reviews. I believe the first draft of the cover letter assignment is due Sunday, end of day, so the peer reviews are due Tuesday. The final draft of the essay for the cover letter assignment is due submitted to Canvas by Friday, end of day. The e-portfolio, that is your single web page that I talked about in last week's lecture video, is due Sunday, end of day. And then the final discussion board post, discussion board number 17, is due Tuesday, the 14th, end of day. So let's take a look at the discussion board post to begin with. Okay, discussion board 17. This is where you get a chance to write to me about your social practices and participation over the course of the semester. So if it's in the syllabus, this is directly out of the syllabus. So I say here, being a good college student requires more than just logging into Canvas and turning assignments. It requires responsible interaction with your classmates, instructor, and intellectual material of the course. So the components are logging into Canvas regularly each week, submitting assignments on time and proper form, demonstrating a sense of engagement with collaborative activity. That goes for the asynchronous activity that we do in the discussion boards, maintaining a cooperative and professional persona in the discussion boards, and then being a constructive, positive, and helpful peer reviewer. So I have all the assignment records logged into Canvas when you submitted assignments. If you completed the peer report and the peer review, and I've reviewed all your peer reviews that you've written about some of your classmates. So I have all the records that really kind of require me to make some sort of an assessment here. But what I'm asking you to do in this final discussion board post, I will ask you to assess your social practices and participation over the semester and argue for the grade you think you deserve for your online social practices and participation. So this post is a lengthy one. It should be 500 to 600 words. I suggest you write this in a Google Doc. Don't upload the link. I'm looking for you to copy and paste to the text box for the discussion board. All right. So that's important because I don't want to be chasing links, and if I can't read your post because the link is not published, then you're going to get very little credit for the discussion board. So keep that in mind. Always formatting for clear communication is the ultimate goal. The ideal setup for this particular assignment is to just break it down into 3 or 4 paragraphs, include some white space, avoid a solid block of text. That way I can move through it quickly and have a favorable impression of what you're trying to say in your social practices and participation writing there. All right. So just to go back to this week's lecture video, this past week's lecture video, I introduced the e-portfolio assignment. The video is going to be really critical for you to review that about the e-portfolio. I have a tutorial video here that I found in YouTube, which has some really great information for working in Google Sites. And then once again, if you go to the module section, here in the portfolio instructions, I have embedded in the instructions a special edition video that I produced for a previous class. It's always important to review this and look up some of the past videos so you become familiar with what my expectations are. And once again, I have an example here from my COD class, and you see an example, a perfect example of the e-portfolio assignment here. So remember, you want to make sure your documents are published to the web and public before you upload them here into the cover letter or into your sites page, and you have to publish. Be sure to publish your ePortfolio and submit the published link. Top right corner indicates a published button there. You have to click on that. I don't want to see the build portfolio. I want to see the finished product. All right. So that should be about everything for the last week. Everybody should be checking the grade center often. Make sure that you have your assignments submitted. Be in communication throughout the end of the semester until grades are posted. You always want to be picking up your emails just in case I have an issue with a bad link. I will email you, but if I can't solve a link problem and you fail to respond, then the grade accordingly will be assigned to your particular assignment. So you always want to stay on top of those links and emails at the end of the semester. It may be critical. Got quite a bit of points hanging out there, right? So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.